Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover. I'll just clear that off. Actually, all we need to do, if we go to phone, there's nothing connected at the moment, so if we go to phone, it brings up that screen straight away. Barry's iPhone, that's one I wanted to delete. Delete. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Sport. If first of all we go and we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. If we go over here, click phone, there's nothing paired to the system at the moment, so this screen comes up, search new, click search new, vehicle to device, watching out at the bottom, I've just actually deleted this mobile from the system, so I've probably confused it a little bit. But here we go, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on that to pair and connect phone. Enter 5290 on it. So 5290, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. It's connected there. We're just waiting for the system to catch up. Phone connected. That's it done. Okay, so I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Sport. What you need to do, first of all, we go to music. We'll see there that's playing at the moment. It's turned down, but that's the important bit there. There's a silver triangle at the bottom with 3 silver circles, and you'll see there Range Rover Sport with a tick next to it. So any audio that plays on this mobile will come through the system, so long as you've got the system in the right mode. Over to the system, we click the note and the clapperboard, and it's gone on to DVD and CD, and you see there Source Plus. Now if you click Source Plus, that's only going to give you DVD and USB. What you want to do is click My Music. Once you click My Music, you'll see there's a plus there. Click again, and then you've got Barry's iPhone Pro. Little red Corvette playing. I'll turn this up. Prince there, sounding like he needs to tighten the fan belt on his little red Corvette. But that's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Range Rover Sport. So any screen you see over here, the circle with the arrow in it, click on that, or you can that brings it straight up, or you can click on the home button and then onto the sat nav. Destination entry in the corner, top corner. We want postcode, easiest to do. Input postcode here. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR 5 4 EA. That's it, PR 5 4 EA. Delete or OK. We want OK. And that's it, and then click go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it, that's how you do it. Dead simple system. It's in night mode at the moment, which will come on if you've got your headlamps on, or alternatively you've got, let's see, you've got nav menu here, click nav menu, previous destinations, cancel guidance, so we'll click more, nav setup, and then here we've got day or night, that's day, or we've got auto, we'll click auto, and then return to map. So that's how you change from day or night mode, or put it in auto. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.